Summative assessment. Bahasa Inggris. My name is Adnin Rindawangi, class 11, account 2, description text, elephant. Elephants, mammals. Family, elephant. Species, African and Asian elephant. Elephants are one type of mammals that has been named the largest animal in the world, because this animal weighs between 7.4 to 8 tons and raises a height of 3-4 meters. We can imagine how big and strong this animal is. This animal is very easy to recognize because it has an elongated proboscis or snout as its upper lip. Apart from that, elephants are beset with tusks or canines that grow out and are elongated. Elephant skin is identical in color to brown mixed with gray. If we look closely, the elephant's skin has many bubbly bumps and folds that are easily visible are the folds on the legs and also the tongue. Moreover, elephants have 4 large and strong legs shaped like a roof. The size of the legs adjusts to the size of the body. This is so that they can support the body well. Elephants have their habitat in the forest as a place to live. Elephants cause forests that have a gentle topography and have sufficient water sources. This is done because elephants have migration patterns that are influenced and depend on the shape of the slope. Excessive human activity in converting forests into residential land or plantation makes the habitat difficult and reduced. In Indonesia, elephant habitat can be found in Gunung Leuser National Park, Tesonilo, Kerinci Seblat, Sebuku Sebakung National Park, Kalimantan, Waikambas, Lampung, and also Bukit Barisan Selatan Park, Sumatera. Altibus of elephants are classified and herbivorous animals, eat plants as their main food. However, animal other food includes leaves, twigs, trunk, fruit, and other plant parts. Because their bodies are large, elephants need a lot of food, ranging from 140 to 270 kilograms, with 18 to 20 hours per day to eat. Even though he eats a lot of food, his way of eating is inefficient. He only digests half of the food the swallows. Elephants are classified in the mammals class, which means that elephants reproduction by giving birth viviparous. Elephants go through 11 months of pregnancy. During birth, the elephant is usually assisted by another family elephant. Newly brought elephant calves will weigh around 100 kilograms with a height of 1 meter and have thick, fine fur. The elephant's calf will be breastfed by its mother for 1 year. What you need to know is that elephants have unique characteristic, namely they have infrasonic sound which are useful for calling other members of the elephant group. Apart from elephants having large bodies, they have tusks and wet ears. Even though they have large bodies, elephants are friend animals with other elephants. They will live in groups to protect other elephants. In Indonesia, elephants are protected animals. This is stated in Law of the Republic of Indonesia number 5 of 1990, and according to the International Conservation Institute, it is classified as an endangered animals. There is elephant habitat being converted into other land, and also poaching of elephant ivory for the illegal market is very widespread. For this reason, we must take part in preserving the elephant population. Differences between African elephants and Asian elephants. African elephants. African elephant. This type of elephant has the Latin name Locodonta. Can be found in East Africa, West Africa, and also South Africa. This type of elephant has a body that is longer than the Asian elephant. The weight of the African elephant reaches 7.5 to 8 tons. Its tusk grows on its upper lip reaching 8 meters, and its height reaches 3 to 4 meters. This elephant has longer ears around forehead. The tip of the elephant's tusk has 2 lips, and the back looks stunted with a high tusk on the head. Asian elephants. Asian elephants with the Latin name Elephas maximus can be found in Myanmar, Thailand, Malaysia, India, Sri Lanka, and Indonesia. For Indonesia, we can see it directly in Sumatra and Kalimantan. This type of elephant has a body that is smaller than African elephants. It only weighs around 5 tons. The heaviest part of its body is at its shoulder. The tip of its trunk only has 1 lip, and only male elephants have a pair of trunks. Thank you for watching, guys.